When renting out a property, what is the process? Today we will share with you. Hi, I'm Jenny, co-founder of Cozy Properties. This is our director of letting, Daniel. He has more than 20 years of experience in property management.
Hi, my name is Daniel George. I'm the head of lettings at Cozy Properties.
When you become a landlord with Cozy, what is the process of renting? Let Daniel share with us.
So the process for renting a property is we'll come around and do a market appraisal and give you an idea of what the current market value is for the property. And we'll get our famed photographer Elliot round to do photos and video and make the property look amazing. We will then post the property on Rightmove, Zoopla, on the market and many other portals, as well as posting it on social media, both in the UK and internationally. From that, we want to get as many eyes on your property as possible so we can really maximise the rent we can achieve for your property. Upon getting interest and conducting viewings in the property, we will come to you with any offers that we have, giving you the information for the renters, what they do for a living, how long they've been in the UK and so forth, before again conducting referencing. Part of referencing, we will do a credit check, work reference, as well as a previous landlord's reference, where a member of the Cozy team will actually speak to their previous landlord to find out how they were as a renter. Once we've done all of that, we will supply you with all of the information to make sure that you're happy and satisfied with who we're moving into your property. And then we will look to get people moved in as quickly as possible so you avoid any nasty void periods. Through these tactics, we've been able to get properties rented within the first 24 hours or first 48 hours of launch, and we would expect to continue doing such things.
This is the process of renting. Have you got it? If there's still any questions, please feel free to contact us, and we will answer them to our best of abilities.